This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alex Rodriguez. Enjoy your beautiful home with a relaxing water view on your covered/screened lanai. Open floor plan, fresh new interior paint, new light fixtures, large eat-in kitchen west/breakfast bar. Formal living/dining area, large master suite with private bath, his and hers walk-in closets. Spacious guest bedrooms, lots of natural light, large screen TV included, tile flooring throughout, lovely lake view, some furnishings included. 3 bedrooms 2 baths, 2-car garage, great location, home minutes from highway and shopping. Community pool/tennis. For more information, review the details below or contact Alex Rodriguez at 954-752-5100.